You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this city, Port City in Virginia, United States. If you want to learn more names of famous places around Virginia and the United States, stay tuned, we've got them all at the end of the video. Portsmouth, American English pronunciation, Portsmouth. No, it's not Portsmouth. Portsmouth, like Smith, S-M-I-T-H. Portsmouth, Virginia. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.